This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
We spend 3 years of our lives cooking. 3 years. And that's not eating. That's just the chopping, the stirring, the standing over a hot stove, and the endless mountain of dishes. For decades, sci-fi promised us a way out. They promised us a button we could press to make dinner appear. Well, stop waiting. The future didn't just knock on the door, it's already inside the house. The AI kitchen isn't a concept anymore. It's a reality that is about to change human life as much as the washing machine or the refrigerator did. So, how does this actually work? We aren't talking about a microwave that knows when your popcorn is done. We are talking about dexterous robotics. Take Moley Robotics, for example. To teach their robot how to cook, they didn't just write code. They hired master chefs and put them in motion capture gloves. The system records every tiny nuance, the angle of the whisk, the speed of the stir, the pressure on the knife. It's basically the Matrix. You want a Gordon Ramsay-level risotto? You don't need to learn to cook it. You just download the risotto skill pack. The robot executes that recipe with sub-millimeter precision. It doesn't improvise, which means it cannot mess up. You've probably seen the viral videos of Flippy, the robot working the fryer at fast food chains. That's industrial. It's loud, it's big, it's ugly, but the new wave is designed for your home. Look at the Samsung Bot Chef. These aren't industrial cages, they are collaborative robots or cobots. Sensors detect if you walk nearby so they don't accidentally chop your finger off while slicing carrots. And it's not just arms, it's the brain. These systems are integrating with smart fridges that track your inventory. The AI knows you have chicken that expires in 2 days, tomatoes that need to be used, and it suggests a recipe based on what you have. It's zero waste management on autopilot. This is where it gets really interesting for your health. When you cook, do you know exactly how many calories are in that dash of oil? No, but the robot does. Because the AI controls the inputs, it controls the nutrition. You can tell your kitchen, I'm training for a marathon, or I need to lower my sodium, and it will adjust the portion sizes and ingredients automatically. It's like having a personal nutritionist who also happens to be a 5-star chef. Okay, I know what you're thinking. This looks amazing, but it probably costs more than my house. Right now, you're not wrong. A fully integrated robotic kitchen can cost upwards of $100,000. It is a toy for the ultra-rich. But remember, the first flat-screen TV cost $15,000. The first microwave was huge and expensive. Technology follows a curve. As production scales up and AI models get cheaper, this tech will trickle down. Experts predict that within 10 to 15 years, a robotic cooking assistant could be as common and affordable as a premium dishwasher. We are standing on the edge of a culinary shift. We are moving from cooking because we have to cooking because we want to. The robot handles the chores, you handle the tasting. So, are you ready to hang up your apron, or is the joy of cooking something a machine can never replace? I want to hear your take. Drop a comment below. And if you want to keep your finger on the pulse of tomorrow, you know what to do. Subscribe to AIX. We show you the future exactly as it is. Thanks for watching.